going to Nami Island. DIY tayo for today instead of booking for a tour. So let's see. Nandito kami ngayon sa bus station going to Nami.
So 9 a.m. Pick up ng bus. Going to pwede kayo mag-book ng buong tour package. And pwede rin naman kayo ng DIY. Sa DIY, merong mag-a-assist dito sa mismong bus station. Ano pang lang place?
K2 store.
K2 store. So mayroon silang offer sa inyo kung gusto mo bus service lang or bus with tour. So kukunin na sana namin yung tour na bus and Garden of the Morning Town. Unfortunately, hindi enough yung cash na. Hindi sila tumatanggap ng credit or debit card payments. So yun, mag-ready na tayo ng money and cash.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm getting on the bus too.
See you there.
It's 9:10 a.m. 1 hour ata ang biyahe from here. Hour more than. Let's see later. Basta 9:10 tayo palas. Okay. Ooh, bowling. 10:49. We are here. We're going to try Korean fried chicken.
You can sit anywhere you want.
Okay.
Yeah. It's really early, like 11, so there's no people. 간장. 이거 non spicy. Not spicy. Don't worry.
It's 12:12 noon. Let's go na sa ferry. Going to the Nami Island itself. Medyo masakit na sa balat yung araw. Let's go! Nami Island Immigration.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
There's already a cafe. There's also a mart. And Nami store. A toilet. And ATM machines. Also vending machines. Photo booth. Big photo booth.
So what can you say about our Nami Island tour? Bitin. Siguro kung nag-join kami sa tour, yung maraming pupuntahan, mga five locations yung pupuntahan, mas bitin. So, magandang decision na hindi, nag-DIY na lang kami. Kasi ito lang yung pinuntahan namin pero bitin pa kami.
Yung simpleng ano lang, maglakad ka lang sa gilid-gilid.
Nakaka-relax.
Lake, ng mga halaman.
Ang ganda ng ambience.
Photo booth. Meron ding air bike. Maglalakad ka doon, ay magbabike ka sa parang roller coaster.
Tsaka yung scooter, which is yung inano ko kasi ayoko nang magpa-jack. So, pabalik na kami ngayon sa ferry para bumalik na doon sa parang parking lot. Kasi by 4:30 p.m. pabalik na kami sa Seoul.
Parang yung timing dito, mag-a-arrive na around 10:45 a.m. Tapos, babiyahe kayo pabalik ng Seoul ng 4:30 p.m. So that's around 6 hours in the island. And 6 hours is not enough.
At least for us, na gusto lang ng kalmadong tour, siguro by next time, yung ibang areas naman, like yung Petit Garden, Italian Village, yung Garden of the Morning Calm, next time. Okay, we'll see you again in Seoul. Baka punta kami sa Hongdae.
Annyeong!
Agupihan mo, ayan. Pwede pa rin. Wala po money. Unfortunately, we're going back to the desert. We really had a wonderful, wonderful time here. Nakakalungkot kasi short stay lang. Pero marami pa naman kaming chance na comeback sa ibang season na. Ano